This is Thad Fink with Unimar. What we're going to do is talk about FAA obstruction lights. And right now what we have on display is our LED L810. The unit we have on display is the double obstruction light. This fixture is available in a double or it's available in a single. We've been selling and servicing this light since 1999. We have thousands in place across the globe today. This light you see before you is going to be on structures primarily between 50 and 199 feet. Short monopoles, buildings, bridges, met towers, select places around airfields. This is where you're going to see this light. It's typically operated in steady burn mode, but you can have it flash as well if you'd like. This product's cool, has a bunch of great things about it. It's extremely rugged and reliable. It's light and compact. It has a service life of at least 10 years. This product consumes 90% less power than the typical incandescent light fixture, and as a single, only consumes about 6 watts. The light output, we're going to go ahead and turn it on here for you guys, is nice and bright. Now what you can't see here while I have this guy on is we have this fancy wall back here and you can't really get a clear idea of the beam pattern. The beam pattern actually has the tightest optics in the industry. 0 to 3 degrees is where the specification requires light to be, and 0 to 3 degrees is right where this light puts it. There is 0 ground scatter light, and so this makes the light extremely community friendly. Now the light's available in a number of different options. It's available with IP66 rating. We have an L810 that's ATEX rated, and we also have an L810 that's Class 1 Division 2 rated. This fixture is completely FAA certified. It complies with Transport Canada, ICAO, and DGAC regulations. Carries a 5-year warranty. If you need these products, we have them in stock and we have them ready to ship. If you'd like to give us a call, we can be reached at 315-699-4400, or you can find us on the web, www.unimar.com.